Before I introduce my fabulous guest for the evening, we'll go to an opening email question that we had before the show. We were broadsided by a lady who admitted to running a stop sign on a rural road. We exchanged contact info, but she told us she doesn't have any insurance and will just pay us out of pocket. What legal rights do we have? And that's from Greg. Greg, this is a very good question, and actually a situation that arose at the office this week. What do you do when someone says they don't have insurance, or even maybe suggests that you don't need to call the police? Well, first and foremost, anytime you have an accident, make sure you call and have it documented. Document, document, document. I can't emphasize that enough, because not only do we have to look at the potential claim that you have against this person, which can proceed whether or not they have insurance, but you also potentially have rights under your own policy, not only for the property damage, but also for any injuries that you have that you might have incurred. And that would be on your policy with your company, which has certain rights and obligations that you have to take care of. One of those are that you actually document that you've been in an accident in most policies. So please, never leave the scene without making sure you get that documented, even if the person suggests that it's not necessary because they don't have insurance or for any other myriad of reasons that they could do that. So please do that so that you can make sure and pursue any and all claims that you have on your own policy. With respect to the individual that caused the accident, if they did not have insurance, that does not mean that they do not have exposure or liability. It just means that they may not have assets that you can go after. So we have to do an analysis for you to see if that's someone that we can pursue. You definitely have a claim. The bigger question is there something that you can recover at the end of the day? So make sure and give us a call, Greg, so that we can look at all of those options, both on your policy and with respect to the person that caused the accident. Because even if they don't have insurance or assets, there may be someone else that does have coverage for them. So it's just important that we look at all of those avenues for you so that we can make sure and get you through this process as quickly and efficiently as possible.